Hey everybody, Jerry with 3D HP. Time for more coin engraving on the Haotian 60 watt JPT MOPA fiber laser. I will be using my 110mm lens and let's get going. Got some cool little time lapse here. I'll speed up and let's see how they come out. Hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, if you're interested in Haotian, there'll be a link down below. Just contact Pascal and he'll hook you up with a great deal. And use my code, I think it's 3DHP100, and you get 100 off your laser, or maybe it can work you out a better deal. So here we go. Okay, let me show you how some of my coins came out. Now the Predator here came out really nice until I engraved the other side, and then I went too deep. Yeah, I took that one way too deep and I burned all the way through it. But actually, once it's done, that would kind of make a cool necklace, you know. I wire brushed it, that's all I've done to it. That Predator head there, you're seeing straight through it. I'm off center also. Here's an alien. And then I'm experimenting with my logo. Didn't come out quite how I wanted it to. And that's the one I had on the other side of the Predator coin there a minute ago. And these blanks I've been getting off Amazon, they're fairly cheap. $2 a piece. I get that to focus. And then here's my logo again. Experimenting, trying to get it right. But yeah. The Haotian 60 watt JPT MOPA fiber laser is killer. Got plenty of power to do whatever I want. I just have to get all my settings right. But yeah, they're coming out really good. But this one here is really interesting that it burned all the way through. So please like, subscribe, share, guys. Until next one, have an awesome day. Later.